What is customer value and satisfaction? Customer value and satisfaction are two crucial elements in development of your company. While there are many ways to gauge a company's success, customer value and satisfaction are crucial in pointing you in a different financial success. Customer value is the benefit that a customer will get from a product or service in comparison with its cost. This benefit might be measured in monetary terms, such as when a product helps save the customer money that would have been spent on something else. A benefit also can be difficult to quantify, such as the enjoyment of the customer receives from a product or a service. The term customer value should not be confused with the value of customers to businesses. It refers to the value that the customers receive, not to how valuable customers are. Customer value is defined as benefits minus price is equals to value. Realization versus sacrifice. Realization is a formal term for what customers get out of their purchases, while sacrifice is what they pay for the product or service. Some business people explain customer value as realization compared to the sacrifice. Types of customer value. First is desired customer value. It is a third tier of customer value hierarchy and involves what the customer would like to have from the purchase and service experience. According to the destination marketing's website, desired value presents the first opportunity for a small business to move ahead of competitors by giving the customer desirable add-on features to the purchases and service experience. Second is unanticipated customer value. Unanticipated value for the customer is receiving a service or purchase experience that the customer literally does not expect. These features can help a small business win customer loyalty over competition and generate repeat sales over time. Customer Value Proposition. In marketing, a Customer Value Proposition or CVP consists of the total of benefits with the vendor promises a customer will receive in return for the customer's associated payment or other value transfer. The two main attributes that allow consumers to differentiate among products are price and quality. Finding the correct balance between these two attributes usually leads to a successful product. If a company is able to produce the same quality product as its direct competition but sells it for less, this provides a price value to the consumers. Importance of consumer value proposition. First is a good consumer value proposition will provide convincing reasons why a customer should buy a product and also differentiate your product from competitors. Second is gaining a customer's attention and approval will help build sales faster and more profitably, as well as work to increase a market share. Third, understanding a consumer needs is important because it helps to promote the product. And last is competitive advantage. A product with a successful consumer value proposition is directly linked to a product's actual and sustained performance versus competition. Two types of target audience. First is end user and second is manufacturer or distributor. The end user is the initial and ongoing satisfaction of the end user is the goal of every business. Consumer satisfaction is achieved when a superior customer value is delivered. Establishing a lasting business relationship will lead to future sales. Price and quality are the most important factors in the consumer purchase. Manufacturer or distributor. When the sales target is not the end user but a manufacturer or distributor of a product, the most important factor is conveying superiority of one product over another. There may be other factors besides price and quality that would affect a customer's decision, and communicating those as well is essentials. Types of customer value proposition. First is all benefits, second, favorable points of difference, and third is resonating focus. All benefits. Most managers, when asked to construct a customer value proposition, simply list all the benefits that they believe that their offering might deliver to target customers. Favorable points of difference. The second type of value proposition explicitly recognizes that the customer has alternatives and focus on how to differentiate one product or service from another. Last is resonating focus. The favorable points of difference value proposition are preferably on to an all benefits proposition for companies crafting a customer value proposition. The resonating focus value proposition should be the gold standard. Customer value model. A customer value model is a data-driven representation of the worth in monetary terms of what a company is doing or could do for its customers. Customer value models are tools used primarily in B2B markets where the choice of a given product, service, or offering is based primarily upon the amount customer value created. Uses of customer value models. First is new product and service development and refinement. Second is sales tools. New product and service development and refinement, the dialogue and customer immersion that is part of a customer value models is used to discover and determine which potential product features and functionality would create the most value of customers. Sales tools. Customer value models can serve as quantified statement of value and benefits for a customer that is used by the vendor sales staff to both sell into a new account as well as to reaffirm and validate value created for current customers as a means to retain and grow current customer. Now let's talk about customer satisfaction. The degree of satisfaction provided by the goods or services of a company as measured by the number of repeat customers. Whether a buyer is satisfied after purchase depends on the product's performance in relation to the buyer's expectation and whether the buyer interprets any deviations between the two. If performance falls short of expectation, it is customer dissatisfaction. If performance is equal to expectation, it is customer satisfaction. But if a performance exceeds the expectation, it is customer delight. The principal purpose is twofold. First is within organizations, the collection, analysis, and dissemination of this data send a message about the importance of tending to customers and ensuring that they have positive experience with the company's goods and services. Second, although sales or market share can indicate how well a firm is performing currently, satisfaction is perhaps the best indicator of how likely it is that the firm's customers will make further purchase in the future. Much research has focused on the relationship between customer satisfaction and retention. Studies indicate that the ramifications of satisfaction are most strongly realized at the extremes. Importance of customer satisfaction. First, it's a leading indicator of consumer repurchase intentions and loyalty. Second, it is a point of differentiation. Third, it reduces customer churn. Fourth, it increases customer lifetime value. Fifth, it reduces negative word of mouth. And last, it's cheaper to retain customers than acquire new ones. Customer satisfaction measurement. First is overall satisfaction measurement or emotional. Second is loyalty measurement or affective behavioral. And third is a series of attribute satisfaction measurements or affective and cognitive. Overall satisfaction measurement or emotional. This measure single greatest predictors of customer satisfaction are the customer experience that result in attribution of quality. Loyalty measurement or affective behavioral. In this measure, customer loyalty reflects on the likelihood of repurchasing products or service. Customer satisfaction is a major predictor of repurchase, but it is strongly influenced by explicit performance evaluations of product performance, quality, and value. A series of attribute satisfaction measurement are affective and cognitive. Customer satisfaction is influenced by perceived quality and product and service attributes, and it is moderated by expectations of the product or service. The researcher must define the developed measures for each attribute that it is important for customer satisfaction. Intention to repurchase measurements. It is the behavioral measures also reflect the consumer's past experience with customer service representatives. Satisfaction can influence other post-purchase or post-experience actions like communicating to others through word of mouth and social networks. To end this discussion, customer value, it means that the customer's evaluation of the difference between all the benefits and all the cost of the product. It is also the advantage that a customer receives after deducting all the expenses and time required to purchase the goods or service. The level of customer satisfaction in relation to their expectations is called customer satisfaction. Customer value and satisfaction are closely tied to one another and both contribute to the expansions of your firm. The secret to keeping a customer with you over the long term is to create customer value and satisfaction. Customer value and satisfaction can also be used in marketing as testimonials to promote positive public perceptions of other company. One should understand the importance of customer value and satisfaction in order to improve their system and service. That's all. Thank you.